About this item: 8 outlets power strip with 4 USB ports, the 3-side power strip with 8 AC widely outlets and 4 USB charging ports, total 4.2A. Each USB-A port features 5V/2.4A max output. USB-C charging port features 5V/3A max, can power up to 12 devices simultaneously. Wide range voltage design, can be used on 120V to 240V circuit power strip with 3-side design and wide space 3-side design that makes it easier to make the plugs not covering any outlet, and the 8 AC outlets with 1.78 inches long space in between, larger than standard 1.5-inch socket. Larger spacing makes it easier to use for all kinds of equipment. The compact design saves more space, suitable for the home, office, and college dorm room. Multi-safety protection RoHS, FCC and ETL certificates. This power strip has overload protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overheating protection. The surge protector with overload protection protects your electrical appliances from lighting, surges or spikes. The minimum energy absorbing capacity of 600 joules. It will automatically cut power to protect connected devices when voltage surge is overwhelming.